Welcome to VerbumCall. VerbumCall is an AI-powered web platform that offers over-the-phone interpretation services for over 150 languages during calls. This is a quick demo, so you can see all of the VerbumCall features. With your credentials, log into your account. Remember to use Chrome or Firefox for a better user experience. Let's go over the dashboard. This is your dashboard. Over here, you can see all the virtual numbers assigned to you. Once you have chosen the number you want to use, you can click on it and this will lead you to the call section of the platform. Now, let's make a call. Over in this section, there are 3 steps that need to be made. The first one is to provide the information of the people that are taking part in the call, names, optional, phone numbers, the spoken languages of both participants, and the desired type of greeting, short, long, or customized. The second step is to click the call button to start the connection of the call. The third step is to start speaking and enjoy the interpretation service and translation. Also, you can read the transcription being generated as the conversation progresses. After the call is ended, at the bottom you'll have 2 buttons, Share Transcript and Download Transcript. Log section. On the top left menu, you can move through the different sections of the app, click Log. In this section is where you can see all the information regarding the history of your calls, ID, duration, numbers, languages, and you can also download the transcript, the recording of the call, share the transcript, and delete the files of the call. Insights section. In this section, you can review all the statistics related to your account, like number of calls made with your account, average duration of the calls, and also you can download a report of these statistics. Profile section. In this section, you can check all the information of your profile account, and also you can edit this information. You can change the name and the profile image. Log out button. This is where you can log out of the platform.